Now we are going to start the session of a SCABA. Okay, so SCABA is nothing but a self-contained air breathing apparatus. Okay, so people used to call it as a SCBA and BA and SCABA, SCABE. Okay, self-contained breathing apparatus. And one more thing, just breathing apparatus, and also they will call it as a SCABA, SCABA, self-contained air breathing apparatus. Okay, so so now what you are seeing right now. So this is a SCABA, this is as per the Indian standard 10245. Okay. So actually what it says, as per the Indian standard 10245, it says that the SCABA should not be more than 17.5 kg. After assembling all the units, it should not be more than a 17.5 kg. The thing which we have right now, I mean the old one, okay, yeah. So that one, after wearing all the things, it will cross more than 17.5 kg. Okay. So that's why, so we brought the new one. Okay, so this is varies between 8 to 9 kg. That's it. 8 to 9 kg. That's it. Okay. And in this there are three major components. So we'll see. So this is called a back plate. This is called a back plate. Okay. And this one is a face mask. And here this is a cylinder. Okay. And why there are so much difference in the weight? Okay, because that one is the old one. So give me that one. This is the old one. Okay, so this is made up of marine brass, chromium based marine brass. Okay, so that's why it is very heavy. Okay, and but this is which is made up of CFRP material. Okay, compressed fiber reinforced polymers, CFRP. Okay. So even if anyone want to just check it, just lift it and check it out. So what to check it?
Ravi sir.
Since it is checking.
Already. It looks so bigger. It's so bigger, but it's very light.
For him, everything is heavy.
No, which is heavier? This one is this one.
हम लोग building उठाने वाला है.
So this is heavier. Okay.
Yes.
So I will give a training with the new one only right now. The older one which we had, okay, there's a capacity of 200 bar pressure, okay, and I will tell you like duration, okay. So with how many bar pressure, so how long time we can use it, okay. Just very simple. Because I will not explain the calculation and all, so which will make you confused, okay. Just itna yaad rakh lo, for every 100 bar pressure. Who was in the last training? Last training we called
No, I was.
Okay, now you guys can tell me for every 100 bar pressure, so how long time we can use it? What is the duration for it? Okay, there is 100 bar pressure.
30 minutes.
Yeah?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, 10.
15 minutes. 15 minutes.
20 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, 17 divided by.
For every 100 bar pressure, 15 minutes.
15
okay.
minutes.
So now just imagine, now it is a capacity of 300 bar pressure. Which means 45 minutes you can use it. Okay. So you need to understand there are three main parts: back plate, face mask, and cylinder. Okay, this is made up of a CFRP material. Okay, that's why the weight is very less and capacity 300 kg. Okay, and here in this one back plate, so you need to understand there are two main tubes. Okay, there is a high pressure tube and a low pressure tube. So in this high pressure tube, which is connected to the pressure gauge. Okay, pressure gauge and along with the whistle. Okay, so why that whistle is given? When it comes to the 50 bar pressure. Okay. When it comes to 50 bar pressure, it will start giving the alarm saying that you need to evacuate yourself immediately. Okay, so whatever the condition it might be, if it reaches the 50 bar pressure, you need to evacuate yourself. Okay, so this is connected to the high pressure tube. Okay?
So after whistle comes, 7.5 minutes will be there.
7.5 minutes
Will
you
be
will
there.
get it. Okay, which means if there is a 50 bar pressure, which is a 7.5 minutes, you will get it. Okay, so within 7.5 minutes, you need to evacuate yourself. You need to reach the safer place. Okay, and this is connected to the lower pressure, lower pressure tube. Okay, so in this what happens? This is connected to the
Face mask.
face mask. Okay, so here, so when it connects to the face mask here, what happens? Here there is a system called LDV, lung demand valve. Okay, which means the lungs का जो capacity होता है, okay, it depends on the person and the work what he do. Okay, like जो respiratory connectivity, sometimes the people will get tired immediately. Okay, and at that moment you may need the more oxygen. Okay, it depends on the lungs demand, so it supplies the oxygen. Okay, So through this valve, so here you need to fix it in this way. Okay, very simple. Very fixed. Okay, and here is the locking system. Okay, you need to lock it over here. Okay, and lock it, and after that, when you wear, okay, when you wear the SCABA, at that moment you need not to open any valve, automatically it will get open. Here there is a valve, right? So this will get open automatically, and you will get the enough air supply. Okay, so what happens here in this, when you wear the mask, okay, and if the system get on automatically, then the positive pressure will get create here, positive pressure. Okay, not a negative pressure. Positive pressure in the sense the pressure which is more than atmospheric pressure. In the atmosphere there will be a 1 bar pressure, okay, but here 1.2 bar pressure you get it. Okay, so that what will happen? The smoke will not get inside. If there is a more pressure inside, अगर अंदर ऑलरेडी प्रेशर ज़्यादा है तो बाहर का कोई भी प्रेशर, आई मीन जो भी स्मोक वगैरह अंदर नहीं घुस सकता, इसलिए अंदर प्रेशर ज़्यादा मिलता है. सो ऑलमोस्ट 1.2 बार प्रेशर आपको मिलता है. एंड हियर 300 बार प्रेशर. ओके, इधर से जब बाहर निकलता है, what happens here, the pressure get reduces, and here in this lungs demand valve, it supplies only the amount of air which is required to our lungs. Okay, that's it. उतना ही मिलता है. So totally, so we can fight with this for 45 minutes. Okay, but one thing you need to remember, by wearing this SCABA or even the fireman suit which we have right now, okay, so with that you can only approach near to the fire, okay, but you cannot enter the fire. Okay, आपको फायर का अंदर घुस के फायर फाइटिंग नहीं कर सकता है. Okay, अगर ऐसा करेगा तो ये भी डैमेज हो जाएगा, एंड फायरमैन सूट आपने जो बांधा है वो भी डैमेज है, और आप भी डैमेज हो जाएगा, आपको भी इंजरी हो जाएगी. ठीक है. And fireman suit also, there are 3 different types. That training I will give you later. Okay, as of now I will give the training only on SCABA right now. Okay, now we got to know that there are back plate and this thing, face mask and the cylinder. Now you need to understand like how to assemble. Okay, now it is all dismantled. Okay, now you need to know how to assemble it. Okay, so here